Hey guys, welcome back to Making Paper Airplanes. Today we're making the tangent. Expect abrupt changes of course with an unpredictable tangent. It swoops and curves best with a soft throw. You don't need to use tape on this model. It performs better with an open fuselage. So like always, we're going to fold the paper plane in half. If you haven't seen the other videos where we fold the paper plane in half, you should go back and watch them. Alright, so we're going to open it up. We're going to fold down both corners too, like normally. And after that, we're going to fold down the tip, maybe 2 inches, like that. And then we're going to fold down the tip again about 1 inch. And you're going to fold down one more time about 1 inch, so that this has met your bottom. So then you're going to want to fold this plane in half. And take your scissors and make a small cut all the way up, maybe 1.5 inches on kind of a diagonal course. You're going to open your plane, or you don't need to open your plane back up, and you're going to fold your wings. Be really careful, you don't want to rip it. And we're almost done, and we need to fold up the winglets here. Oh, and then we fold this part up here. This is the tangent. If you want to see more like it, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.